All right, guys, we've got this top-end GCSE Maths question for you today. We're going to have a look at, see if we can work our way through this. So we're looking at, or we're being told the turning point of the curve with equation y equals x squared minus 6kx plus 49 lies on the x-axis. Find the possible values of k. So we've got a quadratic, and it's talking about the turning point. So in that case, we're going to use our technique of completing the square. I know you guys know. So we're going to rewrite our quadratic here in the form with our square bracket. So if we remember, we're going to stick our x in here, and we are going to halve the coefficient of this x term here. So it is minus 6k, we're going to halve it, make it minus 3k instead. All right, now we need to make our adjustments. So we're going to subtract this 3k here, all squared. Make sure you square all of it, common mistake that one. And then we tag on the plus 49 that we haven't touched on the end. Okay, so if we simplify that a little bit, we've got x minus 3k squared minus 9k squared plus 49. That is the equation of our curve just rewritten. So now we've got this information that it lies on the x-axis. Now, if you guys have a little think, anything that's on the x-axis, if I take any point here, I don't know what the x-coordinate would be, but I do know that the y-coordinate would have to be 0. So I know that the y-coordinate of my turning point's got to be 0. And if you remember from your completing the square, this tells us the y-coordinate of our turning point. So we're going to take this coordinate here and set it equal to 0, solve that, see what we get. So we've got minus 9k squared plus 49 equal to 0. So it's going to sit on that x-axis. Bump this 9k squared across. Divide everything by 9, gets us 49 over 9 equals k squared. Final step, you guys know. We're going to take a square root. Now, if I square root that, fortunately 49 and 9, both nice square numbers. So I'm going to get 7 over 3. Now there's a bit of a clue in the question, important to look out for stuff like this on our difficult questions near the end of a paper. It does say possible values, so that should be a nice reminder. We've square rooted here, so I could have plus, or I could have minus for that 7 over 3. Big clue there to look out for when you're doing those top-end GCSE questions. All right, awesome stuff, guys. I know you smashed that one. Like and follow for more content from us.